Choosing between a dual monitor setup and an ultra-wide monitor is no longer just about screen size. It's about how you work, play, and create every day. With modern displays now featuring OLED panels, ultra-high refresh rates, USB-C connectivity, and smarter window management tools, both options feel more advanced than ever. Dual monitors promise flexibility and task separation across two independent screens, while ultra-wide monitors deliver a single, seamless canvas built for immersion and flow. Whether you're gaming, editing, or multitasking, this decision can completely change your desk experience. So which setup actually makes more sense in 2026? Let's break it down. From a productivity standpoint, ultra-wide monitors deliver a continuous and uninterrupted. From a productivity standpoint, ultra-wide monitors provide a seamless and continuous horizontal workspace that significantly enhances visual workflow efficiency. A 34-inch 3440 by 1440 display, such as the Alienware AW3423DWF or LG 34GS 95QEO LED, allows multiple applications to run side by side on a single uninterrupted canvas, removing the distraction of bezel gaps found in multi-screen setups. This becomes especially powerful in video editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve, where a wider timeline view improves precision in cutting, trimming, and layering. Similarly, spreadsheet-heavy tasks in Excel or Google Sheets benefit from expanded column visibility, reducing the need for constant scrolling or window switching. Super ultra-wide models like the Samsung Odyssey OLED G9 take this even further by effectively replicating a dual monitor workspace within one panel. However, dual monitor setups still offer a key structural advantage: true physical task separation. With configurations like dual Dell UltraSharp U2724DE or Asus ProArt displays, users can dedicate one screen to primary work and the other to communication, references, or monitoring tools, reducing cognitive overlap and improving focus. Winner: dual monitors. In gaming performance and immersive experience, ultra-wide monitors clearly establish dominance in most modern scenarios. Displays like the LG 34GS 95QEO LED, Asus ROG Swift PG 34WCDM, and MSI MPG 341C PX OLED are engineered specifically for high refresh immersive gaming, offering refresh rates up to 240 Hz with near-instant OLED response times. The 21:9 aspect ratio expands horizontal field of view, providing a more cinematic experience in supported titles such as racing simulators, open-world RPGs, and flight simulators. Super ultra-wide models like the Samsung Odyssey OLED G9 further extend this advantage by simulating an almost wraparound visual environment, enhancing spatial awareness and depth perception. Dual monitor setups, even when paired with high-end gaming panels such as dual L G27GR 83Q240 Hz IPS monitors, do not extend in-game rendering beyond a single 16:9 frame. Instead, the secondary monitor is used for auxiliary functions like Discord, OBS, or browser overlays. While useful for streamers and multitaskers, this does not enhance core gameplay immersion. Winner: ultra-wide monitors. When it comes to multitasking flexibility and workflow segmentation, dual monitor setups regain a strong technical advantage. Systems built around dual Asus ProArt PA279 CRV monitors or mixed configurations, like a Dell UltraSharp 4K display paired with a secondary LG 27-inch high refresh screen, allow users to physically separate workloads. For example, a developer can run a code editor on one screen while using documentation, terminal windows, or testing environments on the other. Similarly, content creators can keep editing software open on one display while managing assets or communication tools on the second. Ultrawide monitors attempt to replicate this through software-based solutions such as Windows Snap Layouts, PowerToys Fancy Zones and macOS window tiling systems, and premium models like the Dell U4025QW even integrate built-in partition presets. However, software segmentation still operates within a single physical panel, meaning distractions remain within the same visual field. The independence of dual displays allows for stronger task compartmentalization. Winner: dual monitors. From a design, ergonomics, and spatial efficiency perspective, ultra-wide monitors provide a significantly cleaner physical setup. A single monitor such as the LG 34GS 95QEO LED or Samsung Odyssey OLED G9 reduces cable clutter, eliminates dual stands, and creates a unified visual structure that enhances desk minimalism. Curved ultra-wides further improve ergonomics by aligning the edges of the display with the user's natural field of vision, reducing the need for excessive head movement. In contrast, dual monitor setups inherently require more physical infrastructure, including dual stands or monitor arms, additional cabling, and greater desk width. Even premium setups using slim bezel displays like Dell UltraSharp monitors cannot eliminate the central visual break between screens. Winner: ultra-wide monitors. In compatibility and software optimization, dual monitors maintain a structural advantage due to the universal 16:9 standard. Nearly all applications, operating systems, and media content are natively optimized for standard widescreen formats, making dual displays inherently plug-and-play. Ultra-wide monitors such as the Alienware AW3423DWF or LG34GS 95QEO LED are increasingly well supported in modern AAA games and creative applications. But edge cases still exist, where older software does not scale properly. Compatibility adjustments may still be required depending on workload. Dual monitor systems avoid these issues entirely due to format consistency. Winner: dual monitors. Thank you for tuning in. In the end, both setups offer strong advantages, and the real winner depends on what you value most. Dual monitors lead in flexibility, task separation, and budget-friendly upgrades, making them a practical choice for many users. However, ultra-wide monitors deliver a more modern experience with seamless continuity, better immersion, cleaner aesthetics, and cutting-edge OLED innovation. That combination makes ultra-wide the slightly more forward-thinking option overall. Which setup are you using right now, ultra-wide or dual monitors? Drop your answer in the comments and share your current desk setup.